Hello children, this is Uma Vidushi, your English teacher, and in today's class we are going to discuss the exercises of chapter 3, that is a new name. This exercise is in grammar and use of your chapter 3. In this exercise you have to guess the meaning of the collocations from these sentences. I guess you have already watched the video of collocation which I have already shared with you before. So now let's know what is the meaning of these words, these collocative words in these sentences. We backed away slowly when we saw the snake in the garden. Okay, so backed away here means to escape from the place, to move away from the place where there is a danger. So backed away. Next is, I tried to spot the eagle in the sky but had to look away because the sun shone in my eye. So sun shone in my eye. Shone is the past tense of shine. Okay, so looked away. Look away means to look at somewhere else because the place where you were looking before was quite painful. Okay, so that is called look away, or to look at any other side. Next is, the thief tried to get away with the loot but the police arrived and arrested him. Okay, so here thief tried to get away. Get away means to escape from the place where it is difficult to move, but to escape from the place with the loot, and the police arrived and arrested him. Next is, keep away from the edge of the pool. Keep away from the edge of the pool. Edge of the pool means the shore of the pool. Keep away means, what is the meaning of keep away? Keep away means to stay away from the place where it is dangerous to stand. You may lose your footing and fall in. Footing means the balance of foot, and you may fall down. Next is, my mother did away with plastic boxes and replaced them with steel and glasses containers. So did away means to finish, or to throw it, or to just get rid of it. That is called did away. Now let's see the next slide where you will find the answers. Backed away. Backed away means to move backward, away from something or someone, usually because you are frightened. Okay, so that is the meaning of backed away. Frightened means to get scared, or to be fearful. That is frightened. Looked away. If you look in a particular direction, you direct your eyes in that direction, especially so that you can see what is there or see what something is like. That is called looked away. Then the next word is get away. Get away means to leave or to escape from a person or place, often when it is difficult to do this. The next is keep away. Keep away means to stay away. And the last one is did away. Did away means to get rid of something or to stop using something. That is the meaning of did away. So I hope students you have understood the meaning of these collocations. Now let's proceed to the next exercise of grammar and use. Read the sentences, tick the most suitable word in brackets to collocate with the underlined word. So here you will find that there are some words which are underlined, as you can see here. Okay, so you have to use the appropriate collocative words to which are going to be suitable with these underlined words. We should be deeply or strongly concerned about the state of environment. Here the correct collocative word for concerned is deeply concerned about the state of environment. Next, I was pleasantly or suitably surprised to see you at the concert. So here the correct answer is pleasantly. Okay, I was pleasantly surprised to see you at the concert. We walked down the beautiful curving or winding path that lead us to a meadow. Meadow means the open area. Okay, it's an open region or open area. So here the correct answer will be curving path, not winding path, it's curving path. Next, it took great or large effort for the men to move the bed. So here the correct answer will be great effort for the men to move the bed. Next, I rarely enjoy performing or doing these exercises every day. So here you have to match the word with exercises. So exercises are generally done, it is not practiced. So I rarely enjoy doing these exercises every day. Hurting is strictly or firmly prohibited here. So it must be it's hunting. Okay, so hunting is strictly or firmly prohibited here. So the correct answer is strictly prohibited here. And the last one is switching to football from cricket was a large or big decision for me. So the correct answer is a big decision for me. So let's match your answer in the next slide. Deeply, pleasantly, curving, great, strictly, doing and big. So students, I hope you have done these exercises very well. Do these exercises in your book properly and try to learn more about the collocation. Okay, the video is already shared with you and I will also paste the link of the collocations video in my description box. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.